Hey everyone, and welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll walk you through how to download and install Adobe After Effects on PC, Mac, and laptop completely free with a 14-day trial of the business plan. No tricks, no gimmicks. Start by clicking the link in this video's description. That will take you directly to Adobe's official business trial page for After Effects. Once you're there, select the business plan option. This gives you full access to every feature in After Effects, including extra tools for collaboration and team projects. It's the complete version, nothing is limited during the trial. Next, you'll choose a payment plan. If you prefer flexibility, go with the monthly plan. You can cancel anytime. If you know you'll be using After Effects regularly, the yearly plan saves you money in the long run with a lower monthly cost. You'll need to sign in with an Adobe account or create one for free. Just a heads up, Adobe does ask for a payment method to start the trial. However, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the 14 days are up. I recommend setting a reminder so you don't forget. After you're signed in, Adobe will guide you through the simple process of downloading the Creative Cloud app. Once that's installed, simply open it, search for After Effects, click Install, and you're all set. The installation is quick and straightforward, usually taking only a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. That's it. You now have 2 full weeks to try After Effects with all the professional features unlocked. You can test it for personal use or team projects without any commitment. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more software guides and tech tips. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy your After Effects trial.